Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing well. Today, I need some help from the tech community. I'm running into a pretty frustrating issue with my Kali Linux setup on VMware Workstation Player, and I thought I'd reach out to see if anyone has a solution. Here's the problem: I can't seem to get any videos to play on my system. This includes videos from various sources. Whether it's videos of downloaded or streaming videos from websites, they just won't play. It's been really hindering my workflow and entertainment, and I've tried several things to fix it, but nothing seems to work. So far, I've checked to make sure all my video players are up to date, and I've installed all the necessary codecs that I know of. I even tried switching between different video players like VLC, MPV, and the default video player that comes with Kali. Despite all this, the videos still refuse to play. I've also tried updating my system and making sure all my drivers are up to date, thinking it might be a hardware compatibility issue, but no luck there either. I did a bit of research and found that others have faced similar issues, but the solutions they mentioned haven't worked for me. I'm using Kali Linux on VMware Workstation Player, and I'm wondering if there might be an issue specific to running it in a virtual machine. If anyone has experience with this setup and has encountered and solved this issue, I would really appreciate your insights. I'm hoping someone out there has run into this issue before and knows how to solve it. If you have any ideas or know of any resources that might help, please tag me in a video or leave a comment down below. Any advice or guidance would be greatly appreciated. If there's a specific command I need to run, a package I might be missing, or a setting I need to tweak, I'm open to all suggestions. Kali Linux is an amazing operating system, and I want to make sure I'm using it to its full potential without these video playback issues holding me back. Thank you so much in advance for your help. I'm really looking forward to your suggestions and solutions. Let's solve this together and get those videos playing smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the comments. Cheers!